What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video on Celestia, which I had to make a video on. Alright, it's been quite bullish here. There's a lot of eyeballs on it, so just wanted to give you my thoughts on what's most likely here, what to expect, can we actually rally up higher, what's going on. So we'll talk about all of that. We'll do a full video here on Celestia. I would actually say on the 4-hour time frame we are bullish. If you zoom out to the 12-hour time frame, it's a very different story. But even if you look at it like this, we did get some significant bullish breakouts, right? Above the 28 EMA, above the 50 EMA, found resistance at a very strong resistance level right here at 7.3. That's logical, but now we are at an absolutely crucial moment because now we are about to see how Celestia reacts to support levels that should actually provide it with a lot of support. So purely fundamentally, if you talk about Celestia obviously has had a very turbulent past, where when it first came out, and I still remember buying this at $3, when it first came out, it rallied a ton. All right, it basically rallied all the way from the start of November until the start of February, and then from the start of February, even though the market made new highs, Celestia kept dropping down until the beginning of July, at least for now. All right, and there's multiple things going on right here. I mean, first of all, there just was a lot of negativity around Celestia. So what happened is that a lot of people started shorting. So then, if a very large amount of people are shorting, what that means is that creates an opportunity for whales or groups of just capital intensive traders to potentially buy up the price and start to liquidate some shorts. So since the 5th of July, you can see that, well, with the initial two bullish moves, we actually liquidated some shorts because people look at a chart like this and they just blindly short. And then and then this move we had yesterday and the day before liquidated many more shorts. All right, so now we've seen the first turnaround where basically since the 8th of July, the CVD was very positive and we gained a ton of momentum right here. So here you can also see we had some major liquidation increases, which usually means that either one or a very tight group of whales are putting a lot of money into positions in a short period of time. So this was 100% a liquidation hunt. We also, but that's a little bit too far in the future, we also have in October the 31st, we have a major unlock coming for Celestia in terms of TIA tokens. Celestia has some major investors, so they might also be wanting to squeeze out some shorts to artificially pump up the price. So that's what we saw. All right, a lot of short squeezing. I'm not sure if it was investors or just some sort of a trading group. Doesn't matter. But then what we saw earlier today, and that's interesting right now, is for the first time in a while we saw a big decrease in the open interest, in the CVD, and also long liquidations. So those are all top signals. And so that was also at that resistance level at 7.5. So it was to be expected. We're getting some confirmations that it is some sort of a resistance. Now the big question is all right, well, can we hold some sort of a support level? And for me, the most important question is all right, well, we have the support between 6.5 and 6.85. I think that's the most important support level technically, but also if you look at the move up. The big question is can we hold that? And that's something we'll have to see. All right. So right now, I would say that it is most likely that we'll be able to hold that. All right. I think a lot of people are still very eager to short TIA. So that means that there will be more new liquidity to the supply side for Celestia, which you can already see a little bit right now. As you can see, a lot of longs were liquidated here. Now the closest liquidations are to the upside. And I actually do think that Bitcoin looks a little bit more bullish than bearish here, which creates momentum for altcoins, which for me makes it most likely that, sure, we might actually drop down into this level, but at some point of time, we'll gain momentum from there and at least rally up to that level at 8.3. And from there, we'll see again. All right, because that's another very strong resistance level, as you can see. If we're able to get there and we don't lose a lot of momentum, we could also break above that, but that's a little bit too far for me to tell you right now. So this I do think is most likely. If we drop down to support though, and I will keep you updated on this if you're interested in this, if we drop down to support and we don't gain any sort of any sort of bottom signaling or any sort of momentum increase, or if Bitcoin turns bearish, then we'll just do something like this. All right, we'll drop down and we'll start consolidating. So I'll keep you updated on that. For now, I think this is most likely. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.